Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to remove background in any photo using CapCut. So before that, make sure that your CapCut is updated. Then simply open the CapCut and tap on the remove background option available there after tapping on the expand option. Then choose any photo you want to remove background of. And after you choose a photo, CapCut will apply a feature of background removal, and it is typically used for selecting specific area in photos. As you can see, the specific area has been selected in photos. Now, the background will be removed. As you can see this, the background has been removed. Now, all you have to do is export this photo to your camera roll and the background removed photo will be downloaded in your phone. And this is what it looks like. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.